Guys, welcome back to SG Institutes. Today our topics are how to learn English language. If you want to command English language, if you want to learn English language, so I would like to share my views, my dears. Please listen to carefully my voice. Please watch this video till end. So let's get start the video. My dears, if you want to learn English language, so please just work on your vocabulary. If you know a little bit sentences, if you know little bit word meaning, so try to speak English. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to improve your English speaking, so just work, try to speak English. If you try to speak English front of any person, if you try to speak English yourself, if you talking to yourself front of the mirror, so you can learn English language. My dear guys, if you want to really improve yourself, so just work on your reading session, just work on your speaking, just work on your writing, just work on your talking. If you talk yourself, so you can learn English language. My dear, it is very most important role talking to yourself. If you talk yourself, so you can learn English language. For example, as you saw anything in front of any basket, you saw any watch, as well as you saw any mobile phone, so you talking about the mobile phone as well as actually phone is very most important, because this phone through we can send a message, we can talk anyone person, we can call in some emergency situation. That's why talking to yourself. You know English language, you know little bit English language, but try to speak English. If you try to speak English, so you can learn English language. But guys, if you look anything of front of you, if you want to talk anybody topic, so please talking as anything as well as actually you saw the watch. Actually you see the watch as a watch is very most important, because watch tell us the time, watch tell us about the time, what is the time, what is the approximate time, when will I go to the there, so it is very most important time. Without time we can't and do anything. So you can talking to yourself. If you talking to yourself, so you can understand the English language. But if you don't talk yourself, so maybe you can't do best yourself. My dears, if you want to do best in your life, so please try to yourself, try to yourself front of the mirror. You can talking to yourself, so you can learn English language between 30 day, we can say 50 day unders. What you know, if you are very jigyasu, या if you are very curiosity person, so you can learn English language. My dear, यदि आप जिज्ञासु इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए, so आप बाकी में इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो. If you don't if you are not curiosity to learn English language, so maybe you can't learn English language. If you want to really learn English language, so please output your burning desire. If you have burning desire, यदि आपके पास चेतावनी सीखने के लिए, if you have as a burning desire, you want to really learn English language, so you can learn English language. But you don't have the burning desire, so maybe you can't learn English language. But if you want to do best in your life, so please talking in English language, things in about English language. But few days you can think about that, 30 days, 30 days, yeah, 15 days, but think about it think about the English language. When will you think about the English language? Then you can try to speak English. Automatically output the word in English language. You want to command English language, so please try to just communicate in English language. Don't use Hindi. You know very well, you don't know very well English language, but you know little bit English language. But that's why try to speak English. If you try to speak English, so you can learn English language. I hope you will understand this video. Thanks for watching video, guys.